Hi, in this video we're going to look at how to do questions, negation, and use conjunctions in Esperanto. There's basically two types of questions, those which are asked by using an interrogative word like who or what or when, and those which are of a yes or no sort. Here's a group of questions that are all using interrogatives from the correlatives that we talked about in the previous video. Kio estas? Kiel vi fartas? Kiam vi iros? Kiam da akvo vi deziras? Kie ŝi estas? All of these questions are asked using interrogative words. What if you have a yes or no question? You form yes or no questions by using the word ĉu. You simply express the concept as if it were a statement and add ĉu at the beginning. So if I want to ask, do you speak Esperanto? I make the statement, you speak Esperanto, and that would be vi parolas Esperanton. And then I would say, ĉu vi parolas Esperanton? If I want to ask, do you love me? I would start with vi amas min, you love me, and then make it ĉu vi amas min? We should order pizza. Ni devus mendi pizzon. Should we order pizza? Ĉu ni devus mendi pizzon? Can I ask you a question? The statement would be mi povas demandi al vi. So the question would be, ĉu mi povas demandi al vi? And as everyone knows, the correct answer to that would be vi ĵus faris. But in all seriousness, here are the four basic answers to a yes or no question. Yes, ne, eble, or mi ne scias. The verb for to know in Esperanto is kind of unfortunate. The infinitive is spelled S-C-I-I, which is pronounced C-E. That's S, and then a TS sound right after it. This is very tricky for many English speakers. Scias. Mi ne scias. I don't know. Negation. Negation is accomplished by the word ne, the same thing you use for the word no. In English we say no versus not in a sentence, but in Esperanto they're the same word, ne. So, you speak Esperanto, you do not speak Esperanto. Vi ne parolas Esperanton. If you're going to negate just some part of a sentence rather than the overall verb, you could put ne in front of that thing. If you wanted to say something like, I like Bob, but not Karen, you could say, mi ŝatas Bob, sed ne Karen. So the ne goes before Karen to negate her. If you put the word ĉu, the question former, and the word ne together just back to back, you get a phrase that the best translation is probably the French n'est-ce pas, which you put at the end of a sentence as a bit of a tagging question. You make a statement and then sort of ask, isn't that right? So for an example, Ĝi estas rapida auto, ĉu ne? It's a fast car, isn't it? And one quick word on double negatives. Don't. Seriously, one of the 16 rules, and I spoke of the 16 rules of Esperanto way back at the beginning, one of the 16 rules basically just says don't use double negatives. So if you're using neni or any of its correlative forms, nenie, neniu, nenio, etc., or without, sen, or anything else that expresses negativity, don't throw in an extra ne for emphasis. That's incorrect, just like it would be in English. Don't say, I don't know nothing. Conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are conjunction words which link together two things that are equal, two sentences that are both independent. I like dogs, but I don't like cats. Either of those sentences would stand independently, so the but is a coordinating conjunction. I like dogs and cats. I can use dogs and cats each in that place. So again, they're equal, so they're coordinating conjunctions. Here's a common set of coordinating conjunctions. Ow, ow, and neck, neck. These are either or and neither nor. In English, the words sort of go together, but they are different. Either is not the same as or, and neither is not the same as nor. In Esperanto, you have a matching pair of words, ow, ow, and neck, neck. So they get used for examples like this. Mi ŝatus aŭ akvon aŭ vinon. I would like either water or wine. Li ŝatas nek hundojn nek katojn. He likes neither dogs nor cats. Subordinating conjunctions. These are conjunctions which subordinate one thought to another. I will go to the store if you help me shop. If you help me shop cannot stand on its own. It's been subordinated by the conjunction if. We've already encountered char when we compared it to pro when we were looking at prepositions. And I snuck in que somewhere in there, and here's se. But this is a common set of subordinating conjunctions. Char, do, que, kvankam, se, and tamen. Let's use each of these in a sentence. Mi estas feliĉa, ĉar mi vidis lin. I'm happy because I saw him. Vi trinkis, mi do veturigos. You drank, I therefore will drive. Vi trinkis, vi trinkis, mi do veturigos. Now you notice there that therefore has been put actually after the first word of the clause. That's a bit of a stylistic thing. It could have just as well been do mi veturigos. Ŝi pensas ke katoj estas el kosmospaco. She thinks that cats are from outer space. Now in English, that is a conjunction that we frequently drop. She thinks cats are from outer space. That's not very good usage in Esperanto. You really want to put the ke in there. Kvankam vi ofendis min, mi esperas ke vi fartas bone. Although you offended me, I hope you're doing well. Can't tell if that's sarcasm or not. Se vi iros, mi iros ankaŭ. If you go, I'll go too. Mi ne ŝatas lin, tamen li povas veni. I don't like him, nevertheless he can come. Sounds like a recipe for drama at your next party. In the next video, we'll figure out how to build more words from the words we already have using a set of prefixes and suffixes and compounding them. Dankon pro la spektado. And here are the most common coordinating conjunctions for entire sentences. Au, kai, nek, and sed. They work exactly as you would use them in English.